guys, this is Pratima. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share. In this session, we are going to start PLC logic and hardware diagram for three-phase motor, guys. Why I chosen three-phase motor means it is a high rated amps. So high rated current, it will take more current from rather than other appliances. So instead of motor, you can take any higher appliances. See guys, first basic points is if you know the PLC, if you know the writing, how to write the program in PLC, then after that only this step should be applicable. Okay, why? Because see, if you have to know basic principle of the PLC, how to write the program and how to dump the program in PLC module. Okay, so from PLC module, when you're dumping the program in PLC module has only 24 volts because it is a microcontroller based devices. Nowadays it is coming to 20 volts also. If you want to run the heavy motor, then you can't take output or input from the PLC directly, and you can't connect the load directly to the PLC module. Okay, so in mediator we need some components to connect the PLC as well as our load. Okay, so here I taken one switch and one relay. This is electromagnetic relay, guys. If you don't know the working principle of the electromagnetic relay, then you can check my video, it is in the description box. Okay, so here I taken 24 volts supply from the PLC, that is positive and negative, means I am giving the positive supply to the switch, and after that I am giving positive to the relay, and this is your negative. Okay, so see here it has common and NONC, guys. This is relay common, this is relay NO, and from relay NO I am giving to the contactor A1, means contactor A1 has phase and contactor A2 has a neutral. Okay, DC supply and this is AC supply. In electromagnetic relay you can use AC or DC according to your requirement. Okay, so you can connect at common point, you can connect DC also or AC also based on the relay ratings. Okay, you have to check the relay ratings first. See guys, here I taken one contactor. This contactor looks like this. So contactor has three phase, that is RYB phase, and see here contactor has A1 and A2 terminals, that is this represent phase and this represent neutrals as I shown in here, as I shown here. Okay, so contactor has phase and neutral, so that is means the coil getting activated. Now we have to give supply to this coil, means this wire, then only contactor will activate and your motor will get on. So this is the basic of your contactor, means contactor has A1 and A2 terminal, that is phase, and this is neutral. Okay, so I taken R phase, Y phase and B phase. So this is the basic diagram, you have to check it. See here, so this is overall diagram to run the three-phase motor, guys. See here, why I given positive and negative, because we are taking the supply from the PLC. When you are dumping the program, then your start will activate. Okay, so when you are starting, your relay get activated, then this relay NO become NC and your contactor will getting on. Okay, now you may have one doubt that RYB we have three phases. So we taken this three phase from the auto transformer or any other lines. You can take RYB phase directly to the contactor. Okay, see here guys, PLC ladder diagram. Actually to write the program in PLC we need to draw like this. Any PLC we are representing in ladder diagram only. So most of the PLC we are writing in ladder diagram languages. There are three programming languages, but we are using ladder diagram because it is easy to understand and easy to implement in hardware. Okay, so see here I taken this is a start, that is I0.0 and I0.1, and this is M0.0, means this is memory acting as a relay. Here now from memory we are giving to the contactor. So this is your overall program to run the motor. Okay, see here this when you are writing the this program in PLC, then you may have different network, one network and two network also. I given I0.0 is a as a start and I0.1 as a stop and M0.0 as a memory bit, and from memory bit it is activated and your on, means contactor coil getting on. Okay, so this is your ladder diagram, guys. See, this is hardware diagram. Actually this is your PLC, real time PLC. See, you can see here we have I0.0, I0.1. Here we have output Q0.0, Q0.1. so in previous diagram you can check, this is your Q0.0 means from actually this is a contactor, you are giving output, okay, but it is acting as a motor, that whatever load you are connecting. See here, from that we are giving here supply line 2. If you see, know the basic point regarding PLC guys, because this is real time practical we are going to do, so you should understand the wiring of the PLC, okay. So when you are seeing the module you can get it also. See, this is your module, PLC module. Now from that we are giving the supply to it, and see, this is electromagnetic relay. As I said that I given 24 volts to it. From that relay coil getting activated, and NO and NC, your contactor will getting activated. So the overall diagram is like this guys. See here, I am giving this relay coil get activated means here it is positive and here it is negative, your relay coil getting activated. Here I given phase, this is called common and this is called NO. So these I given 220 volts AC supply to this one, and when your relay getting on, this NO become NC and your contactor getting on, okay. This is your neutral, you can give to the neutral here also, okay. Now you can take, this is phase A1 A2 as I shown. This is auto transformer. I taken 3-phase supply from the auto transformer, and I taken A1 and A2 means here phase and neutral. So your coil getting activated. When your coil getting activated, this it has NO concept. Here also it has NO concept. Your coil will get activated and your motor get on, okay. This is overall connection diagram to run the motor in practical way. If this is in star connected, you can run the motor in 3-phase like in star connected, delta connected, or motor forward and reverse also, but you have to use the switches according to your requirements, okay. So I here taken toggle switch, that's why I didn't taken any latching. If you are taking the push button, then you have to do the latch also. To do the latch, you are in contactor, there is a NO coil. From that you can give the connection to the your push button, okay. Thank you guys, this much only today's session. If you like the videos, please do comment and share. Thank you.